Welcome to this Java tutorial for beginners. In this video, we'll be discussing one of the most important control structures in Java, the switch statement. The switch statement is a powerful tool that allows you to efficiently handle multiple possible outcomes. It is especially useful. Here's the basic syntax for a switch statement. Let's break this down into its individual parts. First, we have the keyword switch, followed by parentheses containing the variable we want to test. Next, we have a set of curly braces that enclose one or more case statements. Each case statement contains a possible value of the variable being tested, followed by a colon and the code to execute if the value matches. The break statement at the end of each case is used to exit the switch block and prevents the code in the next case from executing as well. The default case is optional and serves as a catch-all for any values that don't match any of the cases specified. Let's look at an example to see how this works in practice. In this example, we are testing the value of the day variable, which is set to 3. The switch statement checks each case until it finds a match, and then executes the code within that case. In this case, the code would output Wednesday to the console. Thanks for watching and happy coding!